Hey guys, this is Mike Taralla with Qlik, and welcome to SaaS in 60. This week, we have included a new chart object that can be used to produce narratives directly in your dashboards. Qlik Sense now includes a natural language chart object that can be added directly to sheets to deliver AI-generated insights. App creators can configure this NLG object to produce narratives for any context by choosing dimensions, measures, and analysis types. Delivering insights for the overall context of a sheet, describing a group of visualizations, or creating readouts for individual charts. This capability extends our NLG capabilities beyond the Insight Advisor experience, allowing all Qlik Sense users to benefit from narrative readouts when exploring dashboards. And that is your SaaS in 60.